This hotel offers great benefits to IHG Top members. You shouldn't miss it. Unbox newly renovated suite room. Reveal club lounge afternoon tea. Breakfast and full facilities. Report what could be the perks for you.
Hi, I'm Tri Papa, a travel enthusiast and proud father of 3. Discover family-friendly spots and tips of making the most of your travels. Join me, let's explore together.
Welcome to Beijing Capital International Airport. I was just landed and planned to visit the exhibition at China International Exhibition Center, Shunyi Hall, which is around 6 kilometers from the airport. So I decided to pick up a hotel right next to Expo. Hotel Crowne Plaza Beijing International Airport came into the picture. Before we unbox the suite room and full hotel facilities, as always, let me tell you how I got here. I flew EVA Airways from Taipei in economy class, visited the Home Bay Star Alliance Gold Lounge, the Star. And this kids' meal is amazingly delicious. Check the link below for complete flight report. Choosing the airport hotel, it's essential to know if they offer free shuttle bus. Let's go gate 5 at the first floor and find out.
Alright, welcome to Beijing. Custom process and luggage process quite smooth, very efficient, but the airport is very big. So actually we walk around 30 minutes including the train. However, right now we are waiting here. This is the place to wait for the hotel shuttle. If you book Hilton or Crowne Plaza, you got a free shuttle bus over here. So you need to make a call and then wait here, you can find the bus. The location is near gate number 5, right this terminal. So either you make a call to them or you come here and wait. Alright, so later I will unbox the Crowne Plaza and see you soon.
Luckily, we just wait approximately 20 minutes after we made the call, and another 15 minutes on the free shuttle bus. Welcome to Crowne Plaza Beijing International Airport. I will show you the morning view later. Check-in procedure was smooth, and you know what? This hotel is famous for upgrading the IHG Diamond member to the suite room. Am I a lucky guy today?
Alright, so this is a floor map. We are at here, near the lift. It's more convenient. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 in each floor. So the other suite is actually to be far if we want to have a suite room in this Crowne Plaza. Okay, let's take a look. So here we are. The room tower 1, 1101. Let's go. So in this hotel, there are 2 towers. And the first tower is basically newly renovated. And today I'm very lucky to be upgraded to the suite room. So let's take a look. Firstly, there's a minibar right here. And they got soft drinks. This is alcohol, so basically for the member, soft drinks are free to drink, but the alcohol need to pay. And what we got here, we got some glasses. And this is the menu for the minibar. Right. And on the table, you got a coffee machine and also water boiler. This, you got the coffee capsules and also the teas. Right? And the welcome water's got 4 bottles in this suite. And for a suite room, of course, we got a living room area right here, including a sofa, also the desk here. And you can see they got the international power socket. That's very good for business travelers. And in this small box, suppose it got some stationery, but it's only stapler. Right? It only provided notes here. Okay, let's turn on the air conditioner. Hey, nothing. Probably centralized. Okay, so this is a living room area, and here's a main bedroom area. And actually, there's also have the customer toilet. Take a look. The toilet is very bright. It also comes with the lighting, quite nice. And you also can hit it if it's a steam on it. Tap and sink, a soap, and a toilet. That's it. It's very simple in this toilet room. for members, also including welcome fruits. Let's take a look what's inside. So these are the fruits they supplied. Quite nice, right? Right now, let's head to the main bedroom. Firstly, you will find out the very big window with the bathtub and the toilet inside. And this mirror with a desk here for a cosmetic, I think. Light, TV, also a king-size bed right here. The decoration, everything is sleek. Quite a nice business hotel. With a lounge chair right here. So this is for the light control, power, and also the sleeping mode. That's it. With alarm clock and Apple Lightning connector. The good part for this hotel, they supply the not really universal, only kind of a Chinese type of power socket, and also the UPS for USB and USB-C charger. Quite a nice feature. So they got an open closet with an umbrella. Here is the best rope, but only one. Interesting. And this is the iron and iron board. Safe here. Okay. And you can also have the laundry service. Scale weight and 2 slippers. Looks okay. So this is like a changing room. And behind this mirror is the main bathroom. Let's take a look. So you can see the bathtub right here with a shower. And the amenities on the Berkshire's brand. I'm not so familiar with this. Also got a power socket, but not universal. Cosmetic mirror, the big mirror with light. And amenities already supplied, like a dental kits, comb, and shaving kits, and so on. Quite a standard one with the towels. Here is the hair dryer. Let's take a look. So they are using the Panasonic hair dryer. Should be fine. With some more towels here. And this is shower area. Also come with the same brand amenities. The second best rope is right here. The most challenging part is about their toilet water. The color looks not so friendly. Let's try. See? So it should be the issue of the water. Maybe they use the reused water for their toilet. I'm not so sure.
If you know the reason behind, please let me know in the comments below.
Last part, we talked a little bit about the benefits. Basically, I got a welcome drink voucher. Can have the drink at their bar. And for the club room, if you got club lounge access, there are 12 benefits listed here. I think the highlight is the opening hour for afternoon tea, starting from 3 to 5, and the happy hour from 5:30 to 7:30. Something special here they mentioned is about they got 6 cans of soft drink in a mini bar daily for the complimentary for club room. It's quite good. And also the 100 RMB laundry credit can do washing or ironing for daily as well. So actually they are very kind for the club lounge visitors.
I found a wall downstairs. Shows all the updated benefits in total 7 points. Check it out. Let's see what they offer for the welcome drinks. To be frank, it's the same as in the club lounge. Next time I will prefer welcome points instead. Since we arrived late, let's order the room services from the restaurant. Indonesian fried rice, creamy mushroom soup and club sandwiches. Definitely hotel dining quality. Well, something wrong with the water supply. Water ran out maybe because the expo opens tomorrow and the hotel is fully booked. I believe this is just a special case only for this time. Alright, after a good sleep, let's take a look at the view for the exhibition center. Before I unbox the breakfast buffet, club lounge afternoon tea, and the full facilities, I hope you've been inspired by my hard-working videos. Your like and subscribe to encourage me to provide more quality contents in the future. If you'd like to walk to the exhibition center, simply passing the garden and an intersection. approximately 15 minutes on foot, and you should avoid taking the taxi since it's super jammed during the peak office hour. By the way, if you watch my video till here, take this tip: always request Tower 1 for new renovated rooms. Alright, let's head to the restaurant. The hotel lobby shows the premium vibes. Left-hand side is the front desk. Right-hand side is the concierge, where you may book a day earlier for the free shuttle bus to Beijing Capital International Airport. Let's head to Crowne Cafe, the buffet restaurant at first floor. It is super busy during the expo periods. Cold dishes got international offerings including hams, cheeses, salads, and fruits. Some cold juices and milks are available. In the steamers, offers Chinese-style steamed food, baozi and mantou. Here can find traditional Beijing snacks and local freshly made noodles. Some other local-style hot dishes. Fried eggs and fried dishes. Here are hot pudding, freshly made Chinese pie, and a lot of options of pastries. Of course, toasts and cereals are definitely ready. Since I stayed few days, these are what I had. Overall, the buffet serves various of buffet choices. Food quality matched the 4-star hotel level. Perfect to start the busy day. After visiting the exhibition, and there's a small door can save you from the long walk. Must take note about the side door opening time. Now let's head back to the hotel and take the lift to 12th floor where the club lounge is. Discover the most secret facility for premium rooms and members only. Look at the facility showed in the lift. Later, I will also unbox the fitness center and swimming pool for you. Here we are, Crowne Plaza Club Lounge. The real opening hour starts from 2:30 p.m. And let me show you around this place, with a lot of windows and the lovely nature lights. The decorations, furnitures and maintenance can feel a bit premium compared to other public facilities in the hotel. Its afternoon tea section got Twinings tea and coffee machine in place. Walk further. There's no buffet offering for now, only available during happy hour dinner time. I like this relaxing environment very much. Let's look what they offer for afternoon tea. Some fruits and biscuits. In the fridge, there are cakes options and several soft drinks. Overall, the selection is limited. It provides a comfortable environment to work or chill a bit. Furthermore, there's a meeting room available for booking a day before. Looks quite good business facilities. Okay, now let's head down to the fitness center and the swimming pool at 3rd floor. There are conference rooms available, but why I can smell the smokes? It seems it is allowed to smoke indoor, even in the hotel. On the other side, we can find the entrance of the fitness center and spa. Compared to 600 rooms in this hotel, the gym isn't big, but not crowded neither. The indoor swimming pool looks quite nice. May also fulfill your sporty gene. In summary, this Crowne Plaza does the job, upgrading the loyal members and delivers the good facilities for no matter transit travelers, airline crews, or the exhibition visitors. I do recommend this hotel and the great services they offered. In my next video, I'll fly EVA Airways to Taipei in economy class, experience the Air China home-based business class lounge with their signature Chinese beef noodles. And how about the onboard kids meal? Stay tuned. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.